Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'm going to create a tutorial and show you how to use share codes to recreate a done-for-you lead capture page. And also, if you want to go to the next step, you can also attach the email follow-ups, done-for-you email follow-ups to build a complete funnel. So share codes are really easy to use. It's just copy and paste. I'm going to go through this step by step. If you're brand new, I just recommend that you just take your time, watch the video for a little bit, pause it, take the action, and then the more you do this, the easier it becomes. And this promo page here, the page that you're on now, there's also going to be a video already made on here on how to edit a share code page. So very, very simple, very, very basic, but just take your time if you're brand new and follow the steps in chronological order, because if you don't do it in the order I'm going to do it on here, then it won't work. So first of all, we're going to go into what's called List Manager. So I'm going to go into here, List Manager. This is the first thing you do. If you haven't got a Leads Leap account, go onto my page here. If you've opted in, go onto my page here and join Leads Leap. And then what you do is when you log into your members area, it's free to set up an account. You get a free lifetime membership with Leads Leap. Now, the first thing you've got to do is go into your list manager and you've got to add a new list. This is before you even do the lead capture page. So you click on down here in the left hand side is the menu. Go into under email marketing here and click on list manager and it'll bring you to this section. We're going to go on to add a new list, and for the sake of this video, this is an easy clicks funnel, so we're going to go and call it easy demo. And all you do is go on to this name here. This list name is just for your own reference, so click on add now. And then what that's going to do is that's going to create a new list. So you'll see here in red, it says activate this list. You have to do that. So you just click on that little icon there. And to keep everything legal and compliant, you've got to fill out your personal details. Otherwise, everything you do will be classed as illegal and you can lose your email list. So just follow compliance. A brand name is optional. This is what your prospects will see when they opt in. So I always put make money online because I'm in the make money online niche, and I promote several different offers. If you want to use an image, you can use an image there. If you want to use a color here, I tend to use this color. I quite like this color here. Just press choose. That's your color palette, and you can preview that if you want to have a look and see what it looks like. So every time one of my prospects opts in, they're going to see make money online across the top in that nice little blue color. And then you come down here. This one here is optional. This is a redirect link. I don't personally do that. I like to make sure that my prospects are verifying their email address and going straight to the welcome email, so I can welcome them to the email series. This is optional here. I like to click yes, so when somebody opts in, I can see that the traffic sites that I'm using are working. This is your personal details. So you've got to fill all this in just to make sure again that you're legal and compliant. Only takes a couple of seconds. Put a genuine email address in, because if you're brand new, they're going to send you a code to this email address to verify you are real and not a bot. So use a genuine email address, and then what happens is it says click this now, and they will send a code to this email address that you've put in here. So this is my account. I'm going to click on there, but I'll get auto verified because I've been in this system for quite some time. But you'll get emailed a code. You just copy and paste it into there, and then put your full postal address in. So again, if you don't put who you are and where you live, you can become it's classed as being illegal. So it says here down here, legal requirement, incomplete or fake address will result in your account being banned. So you can't just put a PO box in there and pretend you live in a PO box. 6 Lady Hamilton Gardens. I live in York, in the north of England, in the United Kingdom. And and a postal code. This is if you live in America or Canada, this is what's classed as a zip code. We call it a postcode here in United Kingdom. And the next bit is you can do an email signature as a default if you wish to do so. I don't do that. I like to change my email signatures. That's an option for you. And then click activate the list. And then that shows that you agree to all these terms. You're not going to spam, no adult, gambling or related content. Everything's legit and above board. And then just click save and activate. And then you are in the system. It says here now, this list is now activated. So when you go back up to here, you can just close that icon there, and that will. So you've now created an email list in the list manager. Now the next thing we're going to do is set up the lead capture page. So lead capture page, we're going to go over to the page manager. So you come down here into page builder in the menu, page manager, and we're going to click add a new page, and we're going to import the lead capture page. So enter a page name just for your reference, add now. And this is going to import, it's a complete done for you system. So easy demo is the reference, add a new page to start. And then you're going to import using a share code. So let's go back onto the page here, lead capture page. Here's the share code under lead capture page. Let's just, so you highlight that. You can either, if you've got a mouse, you can do copy and paste, or if you've got me like a keyboard on a laptop, I just do Control C, and then we go back into page manager, which is here, and then you just paste your code into there, or Control V, click on import now, and your page is now going to be imported into your page manager. So that's how simple it is. It's just really simple. You launch the editor, and then you'll see the page launch. Just takes a few seconds to load. The next thing is we need to import the email list series. So over on the left hand side, you'll see here list. So you click on there, and then under here you've got enter list ID. So you get rid of the one that's in there, that's my list, and you come back over to your share code page. Follow-up messages list. The list ID is 73304. So go back onto where are we? Onto here, and we put in there 73304. Get list ID, and then just click save. Top right hand corner. Leads Leap has work saved, so your email series is now imported in. And then when we go back into the email series, which is over here, I'm going to go into email series. Let's have a look here. Okay, so list manager, and now we're going to go into email series. And when you click on there, it will have automatically, you'll see here, started. It's imported the list for you. So the list is now imported. All you've got to do is enter the share code, which is back over here, and list here, list over here, Control C or copy and paste. So this is why you've got to do this in small steps. Don't just try and do it all in one go. Just a little bit copy and paste, Control V, replaced all existing episodes, include a welcome email. Yes, we've got a welcome email. Click on import now and you'll see the email series has now been imported. So when your prospects opt into the lead capture page here, they opt in there and say, yes, give me instant access. Then this email series that we've just done here, easy demo, will go out on autopilot. If you're an upgraded pro member, then it will go on autopilot. And that's the key. You need to have 6 or 7 messages. The reason we've got an autoresponder is because your prospects need to see your offer up to 6 or 7 times before they decide to buy. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put your affiliate links into these emails here. So you click on this little pencil that says edit, and I've written all these for you. So on each individual one, it will say your name here. So all you do is just put your cursor in there and you put your name in there. Hello, Barry here, whatever your name is. And here it says click here for your affiliate link. So all you do is remove the words there, your affiliate link. And then when you go on here, you highlight click here. You'll see a little anchor that says insert and edit the link. And then you get your affiliate link for whatever product you're promoting. In this case, it's Easy Clicks. So we're just going to go and copy that link there. And then we're going to come back over here, if we can find the page, and paste it into there. And then open a new window. So when they click on click here, it goes into a new window. And there we go. And then you do the same further down here. Just put your name into there. Your name, regards, whatever your name is. And then you come down here and you click Save Changes. Now what you can do, it's important that you test your link. So you press set and send test, and it will send a test email to your email account so you can make sure that your affiliate link has been inserted correctly. You really must do that because you don't want to be putting all these emails out and not having your email go back into the link's not working. So you just click on send test and it'll come up here, and then whatever email address you've put in there, it will say a test email has been sent to your email address. And all you do after that is you click save, and then you go through that process. You can test it there as well. So you go through that process for the next 6 emails, and then your system and your funnel is completely 100% set up. Always make sure you opt into your lead capture page. When your lead capture page is set up, always make sure you opt into here with your own email, and then just check that everything's coming through correctly every day for 7 days, and just make sure that your affiliate links are working before you go live with everything. So a few simple steps there. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then please give me a like and also subscribe. If you're watching this video on one of my pages, in the bottom right hand corner you can subscribe with the subscribe icon. If you've got any questions, if you're watching it on YouTube, if you've got any questions, then please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions. We're nearly out of time. We've got 15 minutes. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.